Well, the PNP, which brought the suit against the Attorney General, maintains Paula Llewellyn cannot remain in office. During a press conference in the afternoon, the party declared it's not taking a victory lap despite succeeding in yet another constitutional challenge. Have the party's president, Mark Golding, knocked the government for bundling another matter relating to the Constitution? Natalia, Clarke continues.
A red card for the Andrew Holness-led government after they rushed a constitutional amendment through Parliament which saw the extension of the tenure of incumbent Director of Public Prosecution Paula Llewellyn. On Friday, the Constitutional Court ruled this decision was unlawful. The opposition People's National Party, which brought the claim, asserted the government's actions were not just improper, but an egregious violation of the Constitution.
It was a case that was brought to uphold and defend the Constitution of the country, principles of good governance, and to avoid the manipulation of the power of the majority and the tyranny of the majority in Parliament to undermine good governance in this country. And that is something that we will consistently and strenuously resist.
The government on July 25, 2023 brought to Parliament a bill to extend the retirement age of DPPs and Auditor Generals to 65 and for the incumbent DPP to seek extension on recommendation of the Governor General without the input of the Prime Minister and Opposition Leader. Opposition Leader Mark Golding notes DPP Llewellyn's tenure expired on September 21 last year, and while her duties since then can be considered legal, swift action must be made to remove her from the post.
And I therefore call upon the Services Commission to proceed with alacrity to embark on the process for appointing a new DPP. The advertising, etc., should be done. And in the meantime, that the Governor General, acting on their advice, Service Commission advice, should appoint somebody to act in the position.
Legally, Llewellyn is unable to be granted a stay according to the PNP, but she is able through the Attorney General of Jamaica to appeal. Until then,
our position is that the DPP, or Ms. Llewellyn, is no longer the DPP, and has in fact not been the DPP since her 63rd, birthday in September last year. There is a provision in the Constitution, I think it's section 96 subsection 2, that would validate her acts as DPP between then and now. But now that the ruling has been made, she can no longer hold herself out or perform functions as a DPP, and a new DPP.
The opposition used the opportunity to note also this matter is only one of many in which the government acted against the Constitution. Golding says that the opposition will continue to hold it accountable. Natalia, Clarke, CVM News.